the angels are perfect. Why did Allah choose to create you and me who are not perfect? Are we all together, brothers? There's a wisdom here. The angels were perfect. لا يعصون الله ما أمرهم ويفعلون ما يؤمرون يسبحون الليل والنهار لا يفطرون. Ayat mentioned this. Allah chose you and me who are not perfect to create us. So no one's going to demand for you to be perfect. That's true. Muhsin's got it. Spot on. The reason Allah created us is not for us to be perfect. It's for us to always repent. That's the job. Your job, no one's going to say to you, why did you ever do that mistake? It's, did you repent when you did it? Good. Don't go for it and say, I want to do it. But if it's already happened, you're a human being, you do mistakes, now ask Allah for forgiveness.